world of crystal healing and stone jewelry is truly a never-ending journey, and each day we find something new that we can use and share with the rest of the world. Today we are going to tell you about something very special and personal, and that you can make by yourself and enjoy its power: Shamballa Bracelet. Stay tuned till the end of this video, and you'll learn how to make one at home. Shamballa bracelets are made with the technique called macrame, which came from the Arab world in the 13th century to the modern-day Spain, where the war was going between the Moors and the Christians. The name macrame derives from migramah, which means striped towel, and the most distinguishing feature of macrame is that it is made with knotting instead of weaving or knitting. Through Spain, macrame spread through the Western world and even today remains a popular staple of clothing, crafting, and jewelry. However, Shamballa bracelets themselves come from the Far East, namely Tibet. Shamballa is actually a name of a mythical lost mountain kingdom, which holds great spiritual importance for Tibetan people. As the kingdom itself was believed to be a paradise on the earth, these bracelets represent a connection to the power of Shamballa. And a bracelet grants its wearer a great deal of love, perfection, enlightenment, and peace. However, different crystals and colors bring additional properties to a Shamballa bracelet. So based on your intentions for crystal healing, you can choose what you need from your own Shamballa bracelet. For example, white crystals in a Shamballa bracelet represent light and purity. That is why they are responsible for bringing clarity, peace, and happiness, as well as promoting cleansing and positive energy. Blue crystals have vibes that are in tune with our mind. That is why Shamballa bracelets with them greatly influence our creativity, mental health, memory, and wisdom. If you are stuck in creative rut and don't see a way out or just trying to find relaxation in today's craziness, blue is certainly a color for you. Green crystals are the ones which have the deepest connection with the nature. So if you are trying to find a balance between your mind and body and reconnect with the earth, green Shamballa bracelet is the one for you. It also has great influence over luck and general well-being. Purple color is often associated with royalty. That is why purple Shamballa bracelet is a perfect tool for acquiring strength and ambition. You will get a clear sense of direction, your goals, and how to achieve them. And if you need it, you will manage to possess some ruthlessness that is so often needed in business. Black is another color of natural raw strength and power. Black Shamballa bracelets inspire leadership, knowledge, and security, which is just what you need if you have some grand plans in mind. Another advantage of a black bracelet is its elegance and formality, and Shungite is perfect for that with its magnetic deep black color. And as Shungite is a soothing and calming stone, you will be able to fully relax and restore your power once all the business is concluded. However, color is not the only thing that you need to decide upon. You should always feel comfortable while wearing a Shamballa bracelet, so you should decide on its size beforehand. It shouldn't be too large or too small, so if you have a small stature, you would advise in favor of one row bracelet with smaller beads. However, if you have a muscular or large stature, you can always add more rows of beads and use larger beads, even raw stones. So now we are going to show you how you can make your own simple Shamballa bracelet with Shungite beads. First of all, you need to make the first square knot with two cords intersecting each other, which will be a start of your row of Shungite beads. Then you should strand beads onto the cord, encircling them with another cord and making a square knot after each of them. After all beads are in place, cut the excess cord and burn its ends. When the beading is finished, you will need to make a closure with a third cord. Measure your bracelet on your wrist to find out what size do you need and start with a loop knot. After that, the closure is just a series of square knots in a row. When you reach the necessary size, connect the closure to the rest of the bracelet, cut the excess cord, and make something creative with two ends of a cord, be it just a knot or a bead with a knot. Now, your own Shamballa bracelet is ready. Write in the comments, was this video helpful in your journey of crystal healing? Don't forget that on our site you can find not only beads of different shapes and sizes, but also ready-made handcrafted Shamballa bracelets, if you wish to skip the last part. Purchase Shungite for crystal healing and enjoy only the best of Karelian nature.